More complex patterns can be made by creating a basic design block and repeating and or mirroring it from a larger pattern. Here you can see some samples, some possibilities of the repetition you can do by Illustrator, by your hands, and then you can turn those repetition as a pattern. So let's do one sample. Let's take me copy this one, for example, and paste in here. Okay, I want to work with this one. There is a function that allow you to turn objects to guides. You go to View, Guides, Make Guides, and then this turns to guides. So let me bring one symbol I have over here, and if I place this symbol over this triangle, maybe I may decide to have this symbol, I don't know, let me try like no. Okay, it can be something like this, and then mhm. Okay, so let's say I'm happy with this. Okay, and now uh, I may decide to group all these three pieces, group them together, and then I can decide to mirror, let's say, those objects along this guide. In this case, the angle, it is not, uh, it is not, ecco. Okay, this is the pattern, and then I see there is like a kind of gap, a kind of hole over here. Maybe I may add, okay, let's do something easy, simple. Probably another flower will be better, but now I don't have. Okay, maybe I can add also my shape over here. I may rotate this 45-degree. Yeah, let's remove this one and get this one. Okay, I want to change this. I want to remove this. I want to remove that. Okay, make sure everything is in. Okay, lovely. And now, again, mirror this time. Copy. And then another big selection. Mirror this time right in the center. Okay, copy. Okay, beautiful. I may decide also to add something in the center in case now I don't have anything with me. Okay, so now it is time to create the pattern in Illustrator. I can make like the full group, and then according with before I can go to Object, Pattern, Make. A new pattern has been added to your swatch panel. Okay, it's fine, I'm happy with that. Okay, this is how it will look like. Maybe there are too many leaves over here. I'm not that sure I like it. Probably I want to remove some. Okay, but anyhow, pattern 2, pattern 2. Let's see what's happening if we, okay, we do different way. Maybe it's better, or maybe this, how I look like this one. No, 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 this looks too much messy. The grid is the best. Okay, done. Okay, and now let's look how it look like on a new artboard. Let's grab the rectangle tool as big as the artboard is. Now it's totally black. I want to add the new pattern. Okay, maybe there are few points, few things could be done better. Let's see how it look like if we reduce the pattern. This is the scale tool. Hold down the Alt key. Okay, I don't want to transform the rectangle. I just want to reduce the pattern. Too narrow, too small. I want to have it bigger. Go to Object, Transform, Move. And then I can ask the computer to transform just the pattern, to move only the pattern. So vertically, let me see. Horizontal 0 and vertical 3 millimeter, just to have it in the center of the rectangle. Okay, so this is the pattern. Okay, there are too many squares, too many holes over here in case it is possible to amend, maybe to place something over here, another flower. Okay, so I want to place another object right here in the center. Okay, also I want to remove. Okay. Okay, done.